Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to turn off screen on the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if the screen of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max does not really turn off just like this, but you want to be able to properly turn off the screen, what you want to do is to first of all open up your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Now head over to the settings, and then from the settings you want to scroll all the way down until you find the display and brightness settings over here. Select that. Now scroll all the way down until you find the always on display option over here. Select that as well, and then make sure that always on display at the bottom is turned off. Once this is turned off, you should now be able to properly turn off the screen of your iPhone 17 Pro or your iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see, mine is completely turned off now, and if I tap on the power button again and then just give it a couple of seconds, it should automatically go off without actually just hovering, showing the clock with a little brightness. And if this tutorial was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.